that pani, and you can have it.
Or like this guy and that guy.
You can just take a...
Wow.
This is very famous too. It's called gulab jamun. Gulab jamun. It's a very famous sweet.
Today it's an awesome video because we are trying out an Indian dish, and there's no better way to do it without a guy who is all the way from India. And this is Karan. He's one of my best buddies.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna try out something good, and he's obviously gonna recommend to me what we're gonna have today. And then yeah, we're definitely just gonna rate it. We're gonna give us our review on the food, right? So yeah, pretty much. So we're just deciding yet on what we're gonna have, and then we're gonna take it up from there. So I hope you guys are having a great time wherever you're watching this video from. Let us know where you're watching the video from. We're right here in Canada, and yeah. So Karen, what do you think? What do you think we're gonna have? Our tower chicken, and it looks pretty sick. Dude, what do you think? Just by the look. And I actually did not take spicy.
Yeah.
And you're recommending spicy, but
he was saying that he was gonna take the food very spicy.
yeah,
Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
it's yeah. Today I think we're gonna have non-spicy. Maybe probably the next video we should do like I should try a spicy one, but yeah, today we're gonna try
He's
this
getting
out.
started to Indian food, so I think
Yeah,
this should be nice.
100%. So yeah, we'll get to you. We're waiting for the naan bread, and then we give a rating on this guy. But so far it looks good, just from the look. It looks really well cooked. Red, so it's a chicken. So this is the naan bread. I also ordered naan bread, so we're gonna be testing out the naan bread. You get
It's a biryani.
biryani. That's insane. Okay, so guys, I got the food. Let's try it out and get to see how it tastes.
Hey, wait! What are you? What are you doing?
How do you do it?
So you break the naan first.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
like the naan.
Yeah, break the naan,
Like that. Okay.
and then use that. Use that to pick the curry.
Pick the curry like that. And then
No, don't use spoon.
No
don't use-
spoon?
Yeah, no spoon. No. Hold it the other way around. Hold it upside
Like
down.
that?
Yeah. And then pick up the chicken piece. Yeah, and then get some curry with it.
curry with it like that.
The other way.
Oh, the other way still.
So that you can get more of the curry, right?
Oh.
If you do it
Like that?
Yeah, perfect.
And
And now
this
have
way.
it.
Alright guys. I mean, at least we learned how to do it. So let's go for it.
It might be hot.
It's insane.
Okay, nice.
It's so good. Guys, it's literally so good. And for him,
I just took a biryani today.
get a biryani. So for him, it's pretty easy. Grab the spoon, boom, get for it.
biryani, raita.
This is rata.
Yeah, raita. It's
Raita?
basically like curd mixed with, I don't know, a bit of salt,
Okay.
pepper. You just take it
Okay.
and then mix it with the biryani
Mix with the biryani. Okay.
and then have it.
Sick. So would you say curry is like the most famous like type of meal in India, or what's like really a go-to, like anyone that goes to India and be like,
Curry is the most stereotypical meal
okay,
for Indians.
okay,
Like if you go somewhere out, anyone will be like, oh, you're Indian, you might have curry.
ah,
It's like that.
Yeah.
But in India, we have roti.
roti.
Roti
And
is
this-
basically another form of naan.
Okay, so this is naan, and then
Rotis.
there's
Yeah.
roti. For us, I think we call it chapati.
Yeah, you call it
So,
chapati too. Like
yeah.
chapati, roti, same thing.
Yeah.
So it's just different ways of saying the same thing.
Yeah.
So you eat chapati with curry. It
Nice.
can be different curries.
Yeah.
Like we eat a lot of vegetarian food as well. So vegetarian curries would be like paneer or any other vegetable.
Yeah.
You have that roti with vegetable, like with the curry.
Yeah.
And then other than the curry, you have dal. So
Dal.
dal is basically like, it could be lentils,
Yeah.
lentil soup,
Okay.
something like that.
Okay.
You mix it with rice, and then you can have dal, rice, and then roti, sabzi. Sabzi is basically like either something like a curry,
Yeah.
or like a, what do you call it? A solid form of a curry.
Yeah.
basically. Yeah.
Sick. Hey, that's really good to know, guys. So, all from the first bite, I'll give it like a 9 out of 10, just to be frankly honest. Because if I didn't like it, I'll be like I would rather, but I'm just generally being honest, this is like almost like a 9 out of 10. I really, really love it. So, yeah. And then they have made it really well. Like they put the cabbage underneath. So really well presented. So yeah.
Also, you're gonna have chai now, right?
Oh yeah, and we're also gonna have chai as well. I'm also going to try his rice. You told me it's biryani, right?
Yeah.
So pretty much, let's try it out. Is it spicy?
No. I took medium spice, but it's still
Guys,
not spicy.
Okay. Because I think I should now be trying spicy challenge. I think that would be really interesting. But let's give it a try. Also, same process, right? Do you think like I should?
Hey, no, have it with a spoon.
Oh, with a spoon. Okay.
No, don't take naan with it.
Okay.
So wait.
Yeah.
Use your spoon.
Oh, fork.
Yeah, spoon. Now mix some raita.
This is raita.
Yeah.
Okay.
With the biryani.
And then put it on top.
Yeah, put it on the rice.
Okay.
And then mix it up. And now scoop. Take a scoop.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good.
I mean, they didn't make the best biryani, but
It's
yeah,
good.
it's still decent.
Compare it to the chicken though. I prefer the chicken.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, the chicken is 10 out of 10. Come on. But hey, still good though. So you say do you think in India they make way better biryani compared to this? Okay.
Even the chicken, way better in India.
It's way better.
Yeah.
So guys, get us to at least 1,000 subs, and then we can get to India and try the original biryani, the original it's called tawa, right? The chicken
Tawa. Yeah.
tawa, right? Yeah. Try out tawa and give you guys a review on it. But so far, this is really good experience for the hotel here in Canada. So yeah. So guys, we did get the tea. So this is the chai tea, right?
Chai.
Oh, it's called chai because chai tea is the same thing, tea chai. Okay. Yeah. And I think one of the videos I've tried it out, but this one looks kind of like different because this one feels like it has chocolate in it, no?
No.
Okay. But yeah.
Tea leaves.
Yeah.
Like black tea leaves. They put cardamom.
Yeah.
They put chai masala.
Yeah.
It's just like a spice for the tea.
Okay.
Cardamom and then ginger.
Okay.
We crush all that and then put it in there.
Sick. Yeah. So let me give it a try and then. It's really good. I think I did add sugar as well, so I think I did overdid it, but it's still okay. But yeah, so guys, I think that's pretty much today's food review. We're trying out an Indian cuisine or Indian dish, and genuinely, hopefully sometime soon we can be able to do this well with India. So, I think I've tried it. Yash, I think Yash has given me. Awesome. So this was, what was the name of this restaurant?
Curry Lounge.
Curry Lounge.
Indian
Okay.
restaurant.
Yeah. So this was Curry Lounge Curry Restaurant, and yeah, we enjoyed the experience.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was really
First
fun.
time for you, right?
First time for me. Hopefully now the next one should definitely be doing it in India now. 100%.
Mumbai.
Mumbai, actually, to be
Buddy,
specific.
come to Mumbai.
Come on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.